Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Amazon app OTP not receiving. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's going to be a few things that you need to check here for you to solve this problem. So one of the things that you should be checking here is the notifications on your device might have been turned off, or do not disturb is actually turned on. Now in this case, what we need to do is we need to disable do not disturb for us to successfully receive our messages or be notified about our messages. So in this case, you could go ahead and just press on any of the volume items or buttons on your screen, and from here click on the three dotted icon, and here make sure that you actually click on D and D here, which is do not disturb, and from there do not disturb should now be turned off. Now alternatively, you could go to your settings here and just type in into your search setting and just type in do not disturb, and from here you could go ahead and just disable that specific setting. Now in this case, if do not disturb is actually disabled and from here you can't or you haven't received your OTP, the next thing you want to do here is you want to check your messages. So if you already received your messages, typically it's going to be here on your messages. Now at the top right of your screen, you should be able to see your profile icon. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and click on the option that says spam and block. So sometimes if the number is actually blocked, it's going to basically redirect it in here. So it's going to be really helpful if you're going to check this page here. But in this case, if you don't see anything there and you still haven't received your OTP, then most probably the message itself has just been delayed. Now in this case, what you need to do is just basically wait for it to arrive. Now if that doesn't arrive, you might want to try again and receive another OTP. But in this case, if you haven't received that, another thing that you could do as well is make sure that you have a proper connection or network coverage. Now if you don't have proper network coverage, that would actually delay on the time that you'll be able to receive your message. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.